Hi and welcome back. In this video I'd like to just show you, as a follow-up to the previous 8x8 LED video, how to connect multiple 8x8 LED matrix displays to create more interesting configurations other than just the single display that I showed you in the previous video. So in this example I've got 4 displays connected in series, so one horizontal row containing 4 displays, and you're actually quite flexible with how you do your connections and how you set up your configuration. So for example, if you prefer to have a 2x2 display, all you've got to do is just move the displays around. Just remove all my sticky tapes here and just configure them so that they are 2 rows and 2 columns, a total of 4 displays. The only thing you've got to change is a couple of lines of code in the example sketches. Let's do that now. So let's go to the Arduino IDE and let's bring up the first example from the Max library. So let's try out Snake. So the only thing you've got to do, is to tell the library what the configuration of your displays are. So I'll try out first the 4 displays horizontally. So I'm going to change that to a 4 and upload the sketch. And there you go. You've got your snake just playing around these 4 displays in a horizontal configuration. And as I showed you in the display a minute ago, I can also use the ticker sketch to display little messages, and you can see here that I've got the 4 digit for the number of horizontal displays. There's the Arduino message. Now what if you wanted to have the configuration of the displays in a 2x2 fashion? I'll try to make it got a cable sticking out here. I'll try to put it aside. Of course, if you wanted to make this a permanent display, you could mount the displays over a surface, and there's screw holes here, so you can mount them securely against say a piece of plastic or wood so that they stay in place. Let's say that you wanted this configuration. So this configuration works well with the Snake demo, so I'm going to change number 6 line to 2 and number 7 line to 2 as well, and upload the sketch. So there's a snake now playing around in this 2x2 display configuration. So as you can see, it's pretty easy. The last thing I want to mention is the wiring. So how does the wiring work? Very simple. You can see, I'm just going to go to the first set of displays. You can see here that as the wires for the SPI protocol come in, all the pins are labeled, so VCC, ground, data in, etc. So these the signals for these pins just pass directly from the front of the module to the back of the module. So all you have to do is to configure them, basically to plug the wires at their corresponding pins. So the first pin in the left of the display, this is the VCC line, and we'll just go to the next display's VCC. Then you've got the ground, which is the second pin, corresponds to the second pin of the first set of pins that will be connected again to the GND of the second display, and so on. So it's just a simple 1-to-1 correspondence between the pins of each side of the module. So as you can see, connecting multiple 8x8 LED displays is very simple as far as the software is concerned, and the library just makes it very easy. I'm not sure what the limit of how many displays you can have connected together is. I have heard that people have been able to connect up to 16 displays simultaneously, and it seems like the library itself can accommodate large numbers. I'm not so sure about electrical issues though. People have reported problems with corruption of data packets going through the SPI bus. This could relate to decoupling issues. Perhaps there's a limit of power that you can provide through the Arduino to illuminate all these LEDs. But as far as the software is concerned, that doesn't seem to be a problem. Okay, hope you found this interesting.